logic in Adobe Form,
Uh-huh.
is it a good practice to write in the driver program? Which one is the best practice?
No, there is nothing like which is recommended. Okay, so SAP has given the option to do both. I can write it in. There is nothing like recommendation in this case. Okay, I can write the data in what header level, or I can write, sorry, at the Adobe Form level, or at what driver program level. So it depends on the
In the
requirement.
real time, we have huge amount of data, right? Like
Mhm.
millions of records.
Correct. Hmm.
So writing in the data in Adobe Form, don't you think the performance will be slow?
No, you see, there also select statement has to be executed. Here also the select statement has to be what? Executed. So there is no performance issue.
Okay.
Okay, so we can write it anywhere. But here the advantage of writing it in the driver program is we can what do some sort of processing there. Processing in the sense after getting the data into the internal table, if you want to delete some unwanted data, you can delete. If you want to modify the data, you can modify. If you want to sort the data, you can do all types of operations in what? Driver program level, then pass the data to what? Adobe Form. If I write it in the Adobe Form level, just I need to what? Retrieve the data. I cannot do any kind of what? Operation. So if the operation is to do some processing on the retrieved data, to do some validations on the retrieved data, better practice it, write it in what? Driver program. If there are no validations, doesn't matter. I can write it in Adobe Form level or in what? Driver program. Is it clear,
Uh,
John?
yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Right. Uh, yeah, in script you have to write that loop and loop in what? In our what? Driver program mode. Inside that loop and loop only we'll call the function model write underscore what? Form. Okay. So now one more small thing. What I have done here is I wrote the select statement where in the Adobe Form level. Let me write. Okay. My requirement now is I want to get that internal table data in the driver program only. In the driver program only, and pass that internal table to what? Adobe Form. So how do we develop the Adobe Form now? You understood? I don't want to write the select statement in what? Form level. I want to write it in the driver program. So first of all, as usual, I have to create what? Interface. Okay. So Z Adobe interface 5. Done. I'll save it in the local object. Done. So do I require any parameters here? What parameters I require? I'm going to pass what data from the driver program? I'm going to pass what? Internal table. I'm going to pass internal table data to my Adobe Form. Okay. So Adobe Form also is a function model. Na? If you take our function model, we have import, export, changing and tables. But tables parameters is absolute. Tables parameter is what? Absolute. Means not recommended to use what? Tables parameter. That's why they have eliminated the tables here. See, we have only what? Import, export and what? Exception. We don't have what? Tables. Is it clear? So now my question is, how do you pass internal table data from driver program to what? Adobe Form. So that Adobe Form should receive that internal table and display it. So how do we do it? I don't have tables.
Form interface, can we use export under export?
Export is for returning. Adobe Form should receive the internal table coming from what? Driver program. Adobe Form should receive the internal table coming from driver program and display it. So simple techniques here. Yeah, in the import only we have to give. Simple technique is I want to pass customer data from what driver program to what Adobe Form level. So since I don't have tables in my Adobe Form level, I need to create a table type. I need to create a table type. Table type is also what? An internal table available at what? Database level. So what I'll do, I'll come to SC11. I'll create the table type. So I'll choose what? Data type. I'll give the table type name as ZTK1. Try to understand. ZT what? K11 ZTKN1 create. Yes, what you want to create? Table type. So I'll choose what? Table type. Am I clear? I'll choose table type. Continue. Table type for what? KN1. And here line type. I'll give the structure as what? KN1. So I'm creating the table type based on what? Entire KN1. I'm creating the table type based on entire KN1. Let me save it. Is it clear to everyone? Check and say activate. Smart form? There it is type table of is accepted. Now here type table of is not there. That is the reason I am going for what? Table type. There in smart form I can go for type table of, or else I can refer to table type also. Okay. Here only table type. I'll do one thing. I don't want to create it on KN1. So I'll do one thing. First of all, let me create the structure based on what? KN1. I'll create the structure based on KN1. So structure, because too many fields are there now. So I'll create a structure. I'll take some required fields. Some description. What is the component? I'll take customer number. What is the data element? Customer number. Next. Next name one. Name one underscore what? GP. Next. What is 01? What is 01 underscore what? GP. So I created what? Some, oh sorry, I deleted. I'll take land one also. I'll take name one also. So I took how many fields? 4 fields. So I'm creating the structure with that 4 fields. I'll create the enhancement category. Check for the syntax is activate your structure. Right? Structure is activated. So I want to create a table type on what? This particular structure. With how many fields are there? Only 4 fields. So let me go back to the table type ZT, which you already created. I created based on what? KN1. Now I'll say ZC KN1. Am I clear? I'm creating this table type based on what? Our custom structure. So that only 4 fields will be available. Activate your table type. Done. Is it clear? So table type is ready. Now go to what? Adobe Form. In the import section, what I have to I underscore what? KN1, I underscore KN1. Okay, type. What is the table type I created? ZT KN1. So can I call this parameter as an internal table? Yes, because they're referring to what? Table type. That's all. Save it. Check it. I am not writing any select query. Select query I have to write it at what level? In my driver program level. So done. Am I clear? So I have activated the interface. Let us create the Adobe form. See Adobe interface 5. Sorry. Z Adobe what? Form 5. Z Adobe interface file. Let me save it. Right. So done. This is the data. This is showing it as what? Because it is referring to what? Table type. So I'll just drop it here. Okay. In this also, if you don't want to display any fields, extra I told, right click on this and say what? Deactivate. It will not be displayed. Is it clear? Done. So this is my Adobe form content. Then go to what? Layout. Okay, so in my layout, I'll take what? Internal table, I'll put it here. Done. Right, so this is the data. This is a country, name one, and this is a city. Is it clear? So done. Let me save, check for the syntax errors, activate this. So Adobe Form layout is ready. Now we need to call it from what? Driver program. Now one small thing I want to do. Let's see how it works. Go back. C38. I'll copy this Adobe 4 to what? Adobe 5. So from here only I have to pass the internal table data. Na? So what is the change I have to do? I require an internal table. So data T underscore KNF1 type. What is the table type I created? ZT KNF1. I'll get the data. Select what are the fields? Customer number, land one, name one, and what? What is 01 from KNF1 into table. What is the internal table? T underscore KNF1. I want to get some 500 rows. Up to what? 500 rows. Then if size sub r is equal to 0, rest of the thing we know. What is that you have to do? We have to what? Prepare that control parameters, open the job, get the Adobe Form function model. What is the Adobe Form now? Form 5. Then you have to, if LV underscore FRM is not initial, call the Adobe Form dynamically. What is the parameter I have to pass now? This import becomes what? Export, what is the parameter there? I underscore K11 equal to T underscore what? K11. Close the job. That's it. Simple. What I did here, I declared what? Can I call this the internal table? Yes, it is referring to what? Table type. That parameter is also referring to what? Internal table. So I am getting how many records? 500 records. Then the rest of the part we know. Clear? So let us see whether it will show that 500 records or not. So execute this. Shut. Execute. Hello. Yeah, I got the data. Is it clear? I got the data. So this is the data. Scroll down. Yes, this is the data. Is it 500 records are there? No, na. 500 records are not there. Okay. So see the last. What is saying here? One of what? One. What is the last customer number? Yes, 100172. I'll say page down. It is not showing me what? Multiple pages. So it is trying to show only what? One page. So what I'll do? See the adjustment. I'll go to Adobe Form level. Am I clear? I'll go to Adobe Form level. In my Adobe Form, if you go to the layout, okay, so in the layout, right, in the layout, yeah, this is my data view, this is my hierarchy. So I'll go to hierarchy. Yeah, we have something called as subform here. There's something called a subform. Is it clear? Subform. Okay, so I'll right click on the subform. Oh, not showing up. Yeah, I'll select the subform. I'll select the subform. Or let me right click on the table itself. Right click on the table. I'll go to what? Palettes. I'll go to what? Object. Object. I'll go to full screen layout. I'll go to full screen layout. In my full screen layout, let me select this. I'll select the subform. Go to what? Palettes, layout. Yeah, see here. I repeat this. I'll select left hand side in the hierarchy. I'll select what? Subform. Okay, this entire thing is highlighted. Now I'll right click on this. I'll go to what? Palettes. What is this? Layout. Here in the object tab, we have what? Subform. What is this here? Content properties here. What is this here? Positioned. Okay, I'll change it to flowed. Okay, I'll change it to float. Okay, and you can see there is a checkbox here. What is this? Allow page breaks within what? Content. So what is the change I've done? I selected my subform. This entire thing is called what? Subform. I went to the properties. In the properties, what is the property I'm setting? Content to set what? Float. Let's see whether this works or not. Okay, let me save it. Done. So my expectation is what? I should get what? Multiple pages. Activate the Adobe form. Okay, let me go back. Run the driver program. I'll say hello. Right, this is my page. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, you can see the scroll bar now. It is increased now. So let me just scroll down. Yeah, is it coming? Multiple pages. Is it clear? So by default, the data is displayed only in what? Single page. If the data is exceeding more than one page, by default it will not show the data. So what I have to do? Select that subform, go to the properties. For that, what is the property you have to set? Content. Content you have to set it to what? Float. By default, what is the value of content? Positioned. Positioned is there. You change it to what? Float. Is it clear to everyone? So this is a way to pass internal table data from what? Driver program to what? Smart form. What is the thing you have to focus? Refer to what? Table type. Because I don't have what? Type table of in what? Adobe Forms.
Sir, here the driver program or internal table is generated. So here this one T underscore KN1. And in this Adobe form also one internal table is generated.
Not generated. We are passing this data that is received in the Adobe form in which parameter?
Import parameter.
Import parameter. That we are displaying.
Here also some internal.
It will copy actual parameter, formal parameter.
Okay.
At the time of calling, we are passing actual parameter. This is your formal parameter. Don't get into that. Adobe form is what? Function model. Before calling the function, you will call it call function. We are passing what? Actual parameters. They are received in what? Formal parameters. Okay. Same concept here also. हाँ? क्या ऐड है यार? Easy है ना?
ऐसे नहीं इसको देखने में easy लगता है वो
Right. So I'll stop for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with what? Other options. Is it clear? I'll wind off. We'll continue tomorrow.
also